Alright, so this video is an entry for an art competition. The competition is being held by Hapu Senpai Art, and it all started when I was scrolling YouTube. Then I got a notification from Hapu Senpai Arts. It's been do it. So I'm not showing this sketch part because why not? So I will start by keeping a paper so you can mix the colors and check the colors if they are correct, or you can just use your sense, like your choice. Use your feelings for coloring. If you like the color, then use it. If you don't, then don't use it. Since I'm using acrylic paint for this artwork, I can make layers and color it. So yep, it's gonna be a bit tough but also easy at the same time for coloring this. Also, I forgot to mention that the reference I'm using for this artwork is this. If you want, then I can make a proper video about watercoloring with acrylic paint, maybe. So let's keep the like aim of 50 likes if you can. So yep, if I get 50 likes in this video, then I'm going to make a video on how to watercolor properly. In my coloring style, the theme of the color I use for skin is always pinkish and vibrant color. Also, the reference has the same look on it. So yep, I'm using my style as well, but I'm also taking inspiration from the reference. Now I don't know what it's called. I used to think it was a kimono, but I think it's a coat or a cloth. So I'm coloring that right now. It's weird. Also, if you don't know the character I'm drawing right now, then this character is called Gyu Tomioka, if I'm correct. And he's a water Hashira from Demon Slayer. Hehehe, the artwork is being shown in the phone as well. So yep, you can see the reference here as well. Also, for real, like the detailing in the coat, okay, it was so hard. I was so frustrated every time I made it because I'm blind myself. Also, I wasn't wearing my glasses at the time because I was bored to get it from another room, but I still made it. Also, many people think that coloring from acrylic paint is kind of hard. Also, my coloring style of using this acrylic paint is kind of different because I don't make thick layers, but I color from making thinner layers by using water a lot. Due to that, the artwork has both the touch of watercolor and acrylic color because of the layers characteristic and the watercoloring characteristic. Also, I know it's called gouache, a different range of color for painting, but it's not gouache, but it's kind of similar to that. So I think, yep, nothing. By the way, I don't know how to use grid method properly, so yeah, it was kind of hard for me to sketch it out while making the grid. So I just made the grid, then I free-handed a bit of parts, so my artwork is not too accurate. Also, just so you know, the artwork is kind of smaller in the size of drawing I'm making because the paper was too big and the photo I was cropping was a lot like too small. Okay, that's why I thought about adding some creativity of my own and expanding the artwork. And here comes the lower shots to make it look cinematic, but I don't know why I kept it here. Back to the side angle, and after I colored the eyeball, I was kind of disappointed because it looked kind of dull. It wasn't too good for my satisfaction because I was actually disappointed. Like while recording this, I'm half asleep. My colleges are going on, so I'm not able to sleep properly because of assignments which I don't do on time. I do it at 3 a.m. But jokes aside, I actually enjoyed coloring this. Like when I was coloring this, I did make some mistakes, but I started learning a bit from it as well. Well, this is how it looks like for now. I really did mess up the hair at the beginning, but now I'm satisfied with the result. Also, I'm going to detail this artwork at the end, so don't think that this is gonna be my final artwork, because I'm going to detail this like hell, but I don't think I'm going to win this competition due to my insecurities. Yup, I'm not confident about myself. Also, here are some wannabe cinematic shots. Also, since the watercoloring part and process is done, now it's time for inking. And here are the paints I'm going to use. Spoiler, I'm only going to use 2 paints. Well, I was using this Micron brush pen, but I started ruining my artwork, so I changed the brush pen. By the way, this is called Tombow Mono. It is from the brand Tombow Mono. And I'm going to ensure you that if you buy this, you are not going to be disappointed. Like, it's smooth to use. Also, you can make any type of thickness with it. You just need to have control over your pressure. Well, this artwork has a lot of white details as of shining and magical touch. Also referencing to water. So, yep, I'm going to use highlighter a lot for this artwork. Well, I'm not using the reference coloring style completely as I said. I'm going to add a bit of my touch, like I'm going to add some extra highlights. It's a spoiler, by the way. Also, I'm not going to use line art for the water because I want it to look a bit real, but it doesn't look real. Also, my biggest worry at this starting of this artwork was I was not able to erase the grid. I wasn't able to erase the grid properly, and if I used a lot of pressure, the paper would tear up. So I had to be patient enough. If I didn't properly make it and had the idea of using acrylic paint over it so I can hide the grids, then I would have messed up and I would have so bad. By the way, it's raining heavily right now, so I don't know how my audio will be while voiceovering right now, but I'm going to use AI for cleaning my voice and enhancing it. Also, I did forget to mention that it's detailing time. Also, I'm going to detail with color pencils. Also, I forgot to say I'm going to use... Wait, I forgot. But the element of coloring the water is kind of different from the reference. Also, I'm adding a lot of details. As you can see, I added a knitting kind of thingy at the artwork. I also added like a thread going on with dot of white paint, and it looks okay, I guess. But all I can say throughout the journey is that making this was really fun. Even though I may not win or have a great performance at the art competition, I'm happy with how it turned out, and I'm happy if this video gets views. And now the artwork is finished, and here is the final review. So again, as a reminder, this video is entry for art competition held by Haku Senpai. Subscribe his channel and subscribe mine. Also, jokes aside, if you like the video, please like. Also, comment down below how the artwork turned out. Bye bye.